Indian troops in their latest act of state terrorism martyred a youth in the Baramulla district today. The troops martyred the youth during a siege and search operation in the Watergam area of the district. The military operation was going on in the area till the last reports came in. All Party Hurriyat Conference Azad Kashmir chapter held today a ceremony to honor the three eminent Kashmiri leaders, Advocate Mushtaq Ahmed Wani, Dr. Abdul Ala and Sheikh Tajamulul Islam on the death anniversaries. The event, which took place at the APHC AJK office in Islamabad, underscored the enduring contributions of these figures to the ongoing struggle for the liberation of the Kashmir from the Indian occupation. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has sharply condemned the BJP-led Indian government's use of the military force, the harsh black laws and cordon and search operations as a part of a deliberate strategy to undermine the Kashmiri people's demand for political justice. In a statement issued in Srinagar, APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas criticized New Delhi for its aggressive suppression of the dissent in occupied Kashmir. Modi-installed administration in the territory has seized the property from a Kashmiri resident in the Sopore. The Indian police have attached the single-story residential house belonging to Abdul Rashid Najar, resident of the Naseem Bagh, Sopore in the Baramulla district. Indian troops have launched a cordon and search operation in the Kathua district. The operation is initiated in the Jandur belt of the district. The Indian official said that the operation was launched in response to the reports of the suspected movement in the area. The entire area has been cordoned off and the search operation was going on, with the updates from the area still emerging.